Hi everyone! Today we're gonna make a delicious 1 spoon of Octopus Ceviche. It's also colorful, so it will be a perfect appetizer for any kinds of party. Let's start cooking! First layer is a crispy round tortilla chip. There are all kinds of different shapes and flavors in tortilla chips, but I bought the corn flour round one because it has a delicious corn taste and round shape is easy to stack up and decorate. Second layer is creamy guacamole. Cut avocado in half vertically and take out the pit. Put avocados in a bowl and mash it. Dice 1/4 of small onion and add diced onions in the bowl with mashed avocado. Chop 3 grape tomatoes. You can use regular tomatoes, it doesn't matter. Then add chopped tomatoes in the bowl. Wash 1 tablespoonful of cilantro and chop. Add chopped cilantro in the bowl. Cut lime in half and squeeze half lime in the bowl. I used lime juicer to squeeze the lime. If you don't have one, you can use hand and fork together to squeeze the lime. And sprinkle salt and pepper to taste. Ground black pepper is fine too. Mix well. Creamy guacamole is ready. Avocado will change the color from green to brown when exposed to air a certain time, so please serve immediately. Third layer is fresh salsa. I used heirloom grape tomatoes, but you can use regular tomato as well. Slice 10 grapes tomatoes. In a bowl, add sliced tomatoes. Dice half of small onion and add diced onions in the bowl with tomatoes. For a spicy kick, I normally use jalapeno, but I didn't have it today, so I used serrano pepper instead. Minced 1/4 of serrano pepper and add to the bowl. If you don't like spicy, you can skip this part. Wash 1 tablespoonful of cilantro and chop. Then add chopped cilantro in the bowl. Use the other half of lime and squeeze it in the bowl. And sprinkle salt and pepper to taste. Ground black pepper is fine too. Mix well. Fresh salsa is ready. Salsa tastes more fresh when it's cold, so refrigerate it before serving. Fourth layer is tender octopus. I went to the Whole Foods market to buy whole octopus. This is a big one, so I bought only one. Take out the octopus and rinse it really thoroughly. Clean each leg and head outside and inside. Take out organs from the inside of the head. And remove beak using both thumb pressure. Pour out the water and add 1 cup of flour on the octopus and rub it to remove all the slime. Then rinse each leg and head outside and inside with cold water until there is no flour residue. Prepare 1/4 of radish and dice in big pieces. The reason for adding radish is to make octopus more tender. In a wide and deep pot, add water up to 70% level and add diced radish and add 2 tablespoons of cooking wine. Then boil. The reason for adding cooking wine is to remove any kinds of fish smell from the octopus. When water is boiled, dip only octopus leg parts into the boiled water 3-4 times to make it curl. Then drop octopus into the water. For the octopus boiled water, don't throw away. Let it cool down and keep it in the refrigerator and use this broth for other dishes like a soup or stew. After 3 minutes, flip the octopus and make head side on the bottom. Then cook for 6 more minutes. When the octopus turns red, it's done. Then take out the octopus and put in the cold water to make it chill and fresh. Let water out, then cut the octopus leg in 1 bite size. It's ready to serve. For leftover octopus, you can freeze it and use it later. Last layer is 1 cilantro leaf like a crown. Finally, we made delicious 1 spoon of Octopus Ceviche at home. Make your party bright and delicious. How about try Octopus Ceviche this weekend? Please like and subscribe.